Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the complete MCQs on the Mughals of India, the most important topic in the medieval history. And these questions are really useful for your upcoming competitive examinations. Let's get started. One important news that is we are completed almost 430 questions in the history series. If you want to see my all those videos, check out my playlist. Let's move on to the questions. What is the official language of Mughal Emperor? Persian, Turkish, Farsi or Telugu? The answer is option number C, Farsi. Which of the following was the first ruler in Mughal Empire? Humayun, Shershah Suri, Akbar or Babur? And the answer is option number D, Babur. Some of the key points about Babur. He was born in 14th February 1483 in the place of Farganan, and he died in the year of 1530. The tomb of Babur. In India, it is called as Agra, and general it is Kabul. The Battle of Kanwa is fought between Babur and Ibrahim, Babur and Rana Saha, Babur and Rani, Babur and Afghan forces. The answer is option number B, Babur and Rana Saha. Who was the son of Babur? Humayun, Shershah Suri, Akbar or Babur? The answer is option number A, Humayun. The most important battles of Humayun. During 1531, Deborah, 1539 Chausa, and 1540 Kanauj, and 1555 Sharhid. During 1531, Humayun was win the battle, and 39 and 40 the battle was won by Shershah Suri, and 1555 the battle was won by Humayun. The three brothers of Humayun, Kamran, Hindral and Askari, and his sister Gulbadan Begum, and he is died in the year of 1556 and was buried in Delhi. And Humayun tomb is in Delhi. The most important point. At which age did Akbar ascended the throne? 14 years, 15 years, 16 or 17? The answer is option number A, 14. In which year Mughal Empire was established? The Mughal Empire was established in the year of 1526. Which was led the establishment of Mughal Emperor in India? First Battle of Panipat, Second Battle of Panipat, Battle of Kanwa or Battle of Chausa? And the answer is option number A, the First Battle of Panipat. The Mughal Empire who died due to sudden fall of his library? Akbar, Humayun, Aurangzeb or Shah Jahan? And the answer is option number B, Humayun. Who was the greatest ruler of Mughal Empire? Akbar, Humayun, Aurangzeb or Shah Jahan? The greatest ruler of Mughal Empire is Akbar. In the Second Battle of Panipat in 1556, Akbar defeated Genghis Khan, Nadir Shah, Humu, Maharaja Pratap. The answer is option number C, Humu. The most famous musician of the court of Akbar was? The answer is option number C, Ramtanu Pandey. Who was the commander-in-chief of Akbar? Raja Todarmal, Tanjan, Abdul Rahman, Bayram Khan. The answer is option number D, Bayram Khan. Which of the following is the tutor of Akbar? The answer is option number D, Bayram Khan. What is the meaning of Akbar? Brave, sad, great, or war? And the answer is option number C, great. The tomb of Akbar is Sikandara and introduced two systems, that is Mansabdari system and Tuladan system. Ruling period of 49 years and attained the age of 14. Akbar Navaratnas, Birbal. Birbal was the advisor of Akbar, and Mansingh is a commander, and Todarmal is a finance minister, and Tansen is a classical music composer, musician, and vocalist. And Rahim Khan is a poet and astrologer. Fakir Din is a visionary, and Mullah is a cook and advisor, and Abdul Fazi is a vizier. Akbar was died in the year of 27th October 1605. What is the name of Akbar's biography? Babarnama, Akbarnama, Jahangiri, none of the following. The biography of Akbar is Akbarnama. Ainai Akbars and Akbarnama were written in Persian language by. The answer is option number A, Abdul Fazil. Autobiography of Babur. Babarnama, Akbarnama, Jahangiri, none of the following. Autobiography of Babur is Babarnama. Who wrote Humayun Nama? The answer is option number D, Gulbadan Begum. Who is known as Quran? And the answer is option number D, Shah Jahan. Who built Taj Mahal in Agra? Akbar, Humayun, Aurangzeb, or Shah Jahan? And the answer is option number D, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan in the year of 1627 to 1658. He was the fifth Mughal emperor, and this period is called as the golden age of Mughal empire. And four sons is Dara, Aurangzeb, Suja Murad, and he is creative in art and architecture. He built the famous places like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Moti Masjid, Taj Mahal. For the period of 22 years, the chief architect is Ustad Ahmad Lahori and Ustad Ishan Khan. These 2 points are the most important. And who was the chief architect of Taj Mahal? That we all discussed, that is Ustad Ahmad Lahori. When Shah Jahan built Red Fort or Lal Quila by the chief architect in which year? The answer is option number A, 1639. Who was called as Zinda Pir? The answer is option number C, Aurangzeb. The Aurangzeb was died in which year? In the year of 1707. The tomb of Babur is located at. The tomb is very important in all the Mughal emperors. The answer is option number C, Kabul. The tomb of Akbar was located at which place? The tomb of Akbar is located at Sikandara. And the capital of Akbar. The capital is Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri. Next question. Who constructed Humayun tomb in Delhi? The answer is option number B, Haji Begum. Which of the following battle was Humayun defeated Shesha Shuri? The answer is option number D, Battle of Chasha. Who was defeated the Battle of Kannauj in 1540 by Shesha Shuri? Humayun, Haji Begum, Akbar or Babur? The answer is option number A, Humayun. Who built Grand Trunk Road? The most important question asked in various competitive exams. The answer is option number A, Shesha Shuri. And the construction was started by Chandragupta Maurya and it was rebuilt by Shesha Shuri in the early 16th century. Who founded the city of Tunghlaqabad? The answer is option number A, Ghayasuddin Tughlaq. Which of the following wrote Akbarnama? The answer is option number C, Abdul Fasil. When Akbar was young, his guardian was Himu, Faizi, Anil Fazi, Bairam Khan. And the answer is option number D, Bairam Khan. Who was the first Nawab of Bengal? Murshid Quli Khan. Genghis Khan founded the Mughal Empire, Mughal Empire, slave dynasty or Maharada? The answer is option number B, Mongol Empire. During the rule of Tipu Sultan, which was the capital city of his state Mysore? Madurai, Bangalore, Bihar or Srirangapattinam? During the rule of Tipu Sultan, the capital city is Srirangapattinam. Which of the following is Radha of Rajasthan? The answer is option number C, Miravi. Who was the first Nawab of Oudh? The answer is option number B, Sadat Khan. Who was the principal deity of Kakatiyas? Goddess Lakshmi, Vishnu, Shiva or Durga? The answer is option number D, Durga. The questions which we discussed today is more than enough to attend the questions in the Mughal period. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends. Your friends can also get benefited. And let me know your feedback in the comment section. Let's see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.